showing Mr. Too Much of your hammer? What happened? Huh? You come see Whishy? Oh, they love it in the bucket.
Oh, Whishy.
Yeah.
You moved outside.
Yeah.
You put them in?
Yep.
Hey.
Careful, Whishy. Mucho bigger one. Oh, they're trying to swim back. Oh.
Oh.
Mucho Whishy.
Poor beast.
They love it.
Yeah, 4-piece wish. Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4-piece wishy. Oh, if you order now, you can get your freaking Mr. Too Muchy shirt at onepuglet.com. Hey? Yeah, him, same. Too muchy. Hey?
Oh,
real bad. What happened?
Crazy, no.
I should brought her hammer out.
Crazy. No.
You bass.
No.
What happened?
No.
Little hammer in the yard with too muchy?
Crazy. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Yeah, look at the rig they got up out in the road there. They still haven't clawed that friggin' Godzilla finger out of there. What was it?
Donkey Kong's finger.
Donkey Kong's finger?
That's one.
Stick it in your butt.
Yeah.
Yeah. That'll
Hey.
fit right in there. Terrible.
Mother, that's one.
Yeah, you got a stem and a hole.
Oh, sure.
Yeah. You push one in with the other.
Yeah, that's small.
Baby,
Wow. I need that too. Okay?
you need these two?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
That's one. Two more. Thank you.
You come over, do a little shopping.
I need to see the E. Yeah, that's. Wow, you see too much. That's. Ah. You happy?
She's not face.
You happy?
That one's cool. Oh, because he likes that one too.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
You hear too much. That's it. No. Yeah, that's it.
Mucho.
Yeah, mucho.
Good friend. Well, I made a little adjustment on the arse coil there, so now it's got a little up riser onto it. Just gotta give that a ticky-tacky about what word, and then it'll be awesome. Right, Tumuchi?
Yeah, you good. I go.
Good friend. Okay, no problem. Choo-choo. Decent. Got the mechanism figured out anyway. Decent, but it has got to be how much or something. And the wet heaves. Some terrible. Freaking Godzilla's finger caught in the drain still. Just freaking belligerent. Anyways, boys, I just freaking got done setting up my friggin' my account there. Account confirmation email from Princess Auto, Ultimate Figured Outer. But you remember friggin' Widowmaker, right? Well, he's entered this friggin' competition and got all type of entries, but you know, it's all, you know, a guy built a hovercraft, guy built some type of tow truck, friggin' snowblower, friggin' this, that, and the other thing, a rotisserie, blah, blah, blah. But all that stuff's already invented. Nobody invented a friggin' monster Segway befords. Subaru engine, Traptor tires. So that's the one we're friggin' after. If you wouldn't mind heading down there and Stabbing on the old Votski button there. World's biggest Segway from Glenn Peralt. I apologize if I just murdered your friggin' name, but yeah, it's friggin' Widowmaker, boys. You know, Pug 1's a big dumb goof, and if it was my thing, I would not even expect you to friggin' vote for it because I'm a big dumb goof, but friggin' Widowmaker's not a big dumb goof, so friggin' you should go over to the friggin' Ultimate Figure It Outers friggin' website there. Of course, links in the prescription. And yeah, vote for Glenn there, friggin' Widowmaker, world's biggest Segway, pre-story valve wide open in accordance. And again, not for me. I just think that he's put a lot of work into his inventions there and friggin' deserves to win. And he's a good friend of mine, and I'd appreciate it if you'd send him on in the vote skate. It'll only take you like 3 minutes to sign up and confirm your email, and then bing, bang, boom, you're in. Hey, easy peasy. But friggin' rights, boys. The ultimate figure it outer. All right, well, I got the call. Friggin' shut your water down. I got to switch up the trailers. Get all rusty friggin' fired up here, and well, I got to mow the lawn. I don't want to park the trailer in the lawn grass, so I'll mow the friggin' one side, and then we'll move the trailers, and then I'll go mow the other side, and then then yeah, we'll get that done. So hopefully we'll have time to get back out in the shop and work on the bluester again. Rights, boys. Check this out. It's like a friggin' magazine. Hey? Auto Wrecker Weekly. What happened? But yeah, needed to be done. Had a couple hours to friggin' burn before we got to go do this job. So, wise your words, get the grass mowed, I figured. But yeah, trailer's all ready to go here. We got our gear. Get a friggin' drink and blow my nose because I got some type of a situation happening. But any words. That is friggin' absolutely awesome. Great big log friggin' jammed up in the friggin' brake wall. Sacks, I should grab that for the old lady. Gas stove. No digital plying tree onto it. Slams into gear, fucking carries on. That absolutely can't be right. Transmission, no go. Transmission dicks, no go. Hot goofs, roger. Like stink without that thing on her. Holy suffering. That was a heavy machine. Oh, that's pretty friggin' awesome. I'm pretty much a friggin' truckner. Plug one, truckner, same. Friggin' right. But I think I like that kind the best because it's, you know, we live in Inwood, so everywhere you go, it's a friggin' drive, right? So totally used to just driving an hour to, you know, for anything. really. Those are friggin' the easy dollars, I guess, but there's always the MTO, friggin', you know, blown tire. This, I mean, it could friggin' turn into a bad day real quick, right? So we got to keep into cordialation of all that too while we're pricing this horse's dick, right? So friggin', anyways, we'll friggin', the old lady's got how much selling on she bass, and yeah, so we'll just friggin' have a look at the spool there, and then we got to try to figure out how we're going to affix the badum. Now we must affix the badum.
My name is Officer James Morrison, and hotline to my division is 613-975-9973. I repeat my number, it's 613-975-9973. Now, don't try to disregard this message and don't return the call. If you don't return the call and if I don't hear from your attorney either, then the only thing I can do is I wish you a good luck as the situation badly unfolds on you. So give me a call back as soon as you get this message. Thank you.
Wow, that lens is pretty much pooch, but anyways, boys, friggin' we got a little bit done today. Friggin' I'd show you, but I'd friggin' didn't want to friggin' spoil your cigarette. Eh? Oh, how you doing, Pug? Friggin' all you gotta do is put a bend on it and hook the wires up, make the case, and probably not even paint it, because why? Oh my goodness, boys. Clamp that down. The only thing I'm concerned about is bending this 9/0s. Never bent solid copper rod. I mean, I'm sure it bends. It bend friggin' copper pipe and stuff, right? Well, we probably got about a good solid 2 full day, and we're spread out over maybe 3, 4, 5 days. But you know, we got other shit to do. Friggin' got to go buy scrap cars. Guy needs his stuff towed. Friggin' we got to go. But yeah, it's coming along splendid. So left enough room, you know, to get the wiring sort of in there and different things, and hopefully we didn't demooge the coil. Ooh, careful. Got a little rubber goose get for around this guy here so that we don't hark it out, and of course that'll be more level once we got that rubber in there. It's more pinched in there, and of course the 9/0s. Right, we'll probably put a kink in it and around and amongst right there, but friggin' rights. And check that out, I'm a friggin' TIG welding specialist, for frig's sakes. Eh? Love TIG welding, especially in something like that. Friggin' MIG just make a mess terrible. Don't forget June 17th, we're having the old rig festival there. Bring your project out to Inwood, and friggin' if you don't have one, come check out all the projects. We've got a couple of our own, we do, but anyways, boys, shop needs a huge freaking cleanup, so that'll be first thing to do in tomorrow for sure. No can work in conditions of this sort, but anyways, let me know what you think about that great big son of a bitch skid steer, eh? Holy suffering, Rusty felt that one. But and this pot loader's coming along friggin' just friggin' splendid, so friggin' that probably cordialates some type of the finger fotch, eh? Pre-story valve, but anyways, boys, friggin' a couple of itches from earlier in the week, but there you go, another dick problem.
Don't let the Walters get you.